आप हैं साउथ के सुपरस्टार मिस्टर मणि, जिनकी फिल्म बंगाली फिल्म निर्मोग को इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में अवार्ड मिला है। तो इसलिए हम मणि जी से मिल रहे हैं ये जानने के लिए कि इस फिल्म में क्या खास है, क्या उनका रोल है। तो आइए मणि जी से मिलते हैं। मणि जी, वेलकम टू इंडिया आज तक।
Hello, how are you?
या आई एम फाइन। टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर फिल्म। यू गॉट द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड।
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is a Bengali film called Nirmok,
Huh.
which we shot in Purulia, which is in West Bengal.
Yeah.
And when we were shooting this film, we never expected to get any award.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we at least didn't expect to get the Best International Film Award, but I feel very proud and honored that finally the hard work has paid off, and we finally got the Best International Film Award. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Mr. Mani, you are basically you are from South India, and South film industry is something like bigger than Bollywood, internationally acclaimed film industry. So being South film actor, why have you moved to Bengali film industry, which is not that much? Any specific reason?
I mean, see, South industry is definitely the bigger industry in India, like bigger than Bollywood. But I have my full respect for Bengali industry, which I feel is a very, I mean, a great industry, a respectful industry, and if you look at the history, so there have been great films which had been made in Bengal with great filmmakers like Satyajit Ray, Rituparna Ghosh. Like there were some great technicians, the great people who have actually come from Bengal. और प्लस मेरी बचपन की कुछ परवरिश और मेरी कुछ यादें बंगाल से जुड़ी हुई है, तो I always wanted to work in a Bengali industry, and for me Bengal industry is something like, actually I love Bengal like anything. The culture, the people, the literature, whatever you say about Bengal, I just love it.
Okay, आप बंगाल में रहे हैं, कितने दिन रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल, मेरी जो बचपन की जो परवरिश है मेरी बंगाल में थी, because my dad was a commissioner there. And so I got a chance to grow up in Bengal, and so that is the reason I can speak in Bengali very fluently.
अच्छा।
So that is the reason I am actually doing Bengali films.
अच्छा, तो हमको बड़ी खुशी होगी अगर आप हमको अपनी फिल्म का कोई डायलॉग बंगाली में बोलकर बताएं, निर्मोग का।
फिल्म का डायलॉग तो मुझे याद नहीं है कि
अच्छा, कोई भी डायलॉग, कोई भी किसी फिल्म का अगर आपकी जुबान पर आ रहा हो।
अभी मैं आपको ठीक है निर्मोग का ही एक डायलॉग बोल देता हूँ। जब वो सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि ये बिल्कुल ये नॉर्मल बंगाली नहीं है, जैसे पुरुलिया के भाषा में हमने शूट किया था, तो पुरुलिया के बंगाली कुछ अलग टाइप का होता है। तो अभी जैसे कि लड़का, ही इज अ वेरी फ्लैट, इसका कोई इमोशन नहीं है। नॉर्मली जो लड़का है इसका कोई इमोशन के साथ वो प्यार भी करता है तो बिल्कुल फ्लैट बोल के, जैसे वो लड़की से बोलता है। अभी जैसे लड़की पूछती है क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो, तो वो अभी जैसे लड़की उससे पूछती है कि তুমি আমাকে ভালোবাসো, হ্যাঁ আমি তোমাকে তো অনেক ভালোবাসি, আরে তুমি বুঝতে পারো না, আমি তুমি কি বুঝতে পারছো না আমি তোমাকে কত ভালোবাসি। So he speaks so flatly, मतलब without any emotions, but that emotion is there in the heart, so which only the girl realizes.
Very nice. So when you speak Bengali, आप बिल्कुल एकदम लगता है बंगाली है।
Yes, I actually speak very fluent Bengali, and I'm very proud of that, because I love the culture of Bengal, the literature, the people, everything about Bengal. I just love it, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
So you born in South? You born where?
I'm born in South India.
South India, and you worked in.
Could spend some time in Bengal, so I know.
Then in Mumbai.
Working in South India.
Then how many languages you have command over?
So actually, yes, I know Urdu, I know Bhojpuri, I know then I know Tamil. I can speak in Kannada. So like.
Oh, language is not a problem.
Language is not a problem.
वैसे भी एक कलाकार के कला के लिए लैंग्वेज कोई बैरियर नहीं होती है।
बिल्कुल बैरियर नहीं होती, बशर्ते वो लगन होनी चाहिए,
लगन होनी चाहिए। गुड। और कौन-कौन सी लैंग्वेज में कौन-कौन सी फिल्में आपने की हैं, थोड़ा ब्रीफ करेंगे?
Yeah, and I have done a small French film also, which was called Journey.
French film इंडिया से बाहर निकल गई।
एक मैंने French film भी किया था, it's called Journey. तो there was a journey of a British girl who comes to India, and how the journey starts and how this guy falls in love with the girl.
Very nice.
This is a search from a daughter's point of view. She's searching for her father, and how she instruments, like how I'm instrumental in finding her father.
Okay, nice.
That's the film.
So this film was released in India also?
No, this was not released in India. The filmmaker, they released in the film festivals in France, and in all the other countries. Yeah.
Okay. Any commercial benefit did you get from this movie?
Commercial benefit ये अच्छा होगा कि I actually got a chance to work with the best of the technicians. They were actually, some of them were the very eminent Hollywood technicians. So I could actually, work with them. So I was very happy to be, sharing my experiences with them, and I was like working with them. It was very nice experience.
Okay, Mr. Mani, please tell us something about your inspiration. As we heard that you got inspiration from Mr. Big B, Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes, Amitabh Bachchan, what I can say, like he is my inspiration, and like whatever I am today, I actually feel that अगर अमिताभ बच्चन हमारे इंडस्ट्री के पार्ट नहीं होते तो शायद मैं एक एक्टर बनने की मेरी तमन्ना ही नहीं होती. तो it is just because of अमिताभ बच्चन that which actually वो मेरे अंदर का जो एक्टर को उन्होंने जगाया.
Okay.
And so it is just because like we have been like grown up watching अमिताभ बच्चन films, और उनके फिल्म से ही मुझे वो प्रेरणा मिली, और so that inspiration मिला कि I could become an actor. So I became an actor.
So if I would like to analyze this angle of getting inspiration, if you don't get inspiration from Big B, then what would you be?
If that I don't know exactly right now, but at least if I wouldn't have become an actor, then I would definitely have become a sports person.
A sports person?
Yeah.
Okay. Which sports would you like?
Like I was a very good player of cricket, and I was also a very good player of badminton. So maybe I would have thought of pursuing a career over there, if not an actor then.
Okay, nice. Okay, any other forthcoming projects, whether it is Bengali or Hindi or South Indian?
Yes, I am actually doing 2 Bengali films, one with Biswajit Sarkar called Jacket, and I want to specify a South movie also which I am doing right now.
Okay.
And one film actually I am doing with an actress called Shona, and she's also a very talented actress. And one film actually I am doing with a very talented girl called Shruti. She's a very talented actress. I mean, immensely talented, and so we just recently did the photo shoot.
Shruti Hassan?
No, it's not Shruti Hassan. Shruti is Nandish actually.
Okay.
And it was very lovely working with her, and she's a very, good human being also.
Okay.
And we recently shot the photo shoot of the film, and it was very nice, and we look very good as a pair. And we are looking forward for this film also. And apart from that, I'm doing one more film with Dishari Productions called Vinayak the Savior. And that is also an action film. And one 3D film which I'm doing with Mr. Satya Prakash Mantani. And I'm doing one film for Monty Sharma, which is going to be directed by his brother Hemant Sharma. That is a film which is based on Salman Khan's hit and run, case.
Yes.
In which I'm actually playing the character of Mr. Salman Khan.
Mr. Mani, I would like to ask some special question about the words written on the wall, your left side, dreams realized. Because Bollywood is the big place where dreams are realized.
Yes.
You must have some dreams who are realized. So I would like to please explain something about dreams.
What I believe is that you make a dream and you fulfill it. Once it is fulfilled, you are the happiest person. It's not necessary that the dreams have to be realized in Bollywood itself. Like for example, we did this film called Nirmok. It was a very small budget film, and we worked very honestly. We never expected this film to get an international award. Now this film got an international award among so stiff competition from Chinese film and Spanish film, and an Indian film getting an international award, and that is my film. So I really feel honored. It is also like a dream which has been fulfilled.
Which is the, if I would like to ask, which is the biggest vital force for the dreams to be realized, then what it would be?
Vital force is that you have to be very focused in life, you have to be very dedicated to what you are doing, and you have to be very disciplined, and you should be having, the most important thing is that you should have faith in your abilities. If you don't have faith in your abilities, what you are doing, I think you cannot achieve that.
Okay, nice.
You should always know, if I'm a cricketer, I should know that the last ball, it has to be a six. So I should know how to, I should know how to hit that ball for a six. Similarly, in any of the profession, if I am there as a winner, I should know how to win. This is the winning formula. I should know, and I know it.
Okay, so this formula applies wherever you are coming to Bollywood, or you are in any field in life, right?
Definitely. It's see, as a professional, actor. I'm very happy to be working in Bengali industry also,
Okay.
also to be working in the South industry, also to be working in a Bombay film industry. So I feel I don't differentiate any industry. For me, South industry is equally important.
Yeah.
For me, Bengali industry is also equally important. Although it may be a small industry, but for
Okay.
me, I don't differentiate. For me, even South industry is same, and Bengali industry is same, and the Hindi film industry is same. Because I get the love from all the industry. I have my very good Bengali friends. I have my very good South Indian friends. I have my very good friends in the Mumbai film industry.
Right.
So it is, for me, all industry are same. Nothing is
So
small
Mr.
or big.
Mani, I think you are quite fortunate because you have done a variety of jobs, a variety of roles, variety of languages, variety of places, variety of people you have come across. I think that is because you are open-minded. You are open to all.
Thank you. Yes, actually, I'm open-minded, and that is the reason. See, I have my focus and goals in life, and the way I, carry my life is that I'm very focused. I know what I'm doing. I'm very dedicated to my work. See, dedication is very important if you want to attain a success.
I would like to know about the target of your focus, because at the same time you have done a lot of variety of work. Okay, so how do you focus your job?
See, for example, when I did Desi, a South Indian film which I did long time back, I had to, even the producer told me to shave off my head.
Okay.
So I was very reluctant because I had my lot of modeling assignments at that time. So I actually thought twice at that time, what should I do? Then I thought, no, this role demanded me to shave off my head. I actually shaved off my head. I mean,
Okay.
the hair, sorry.
Okay.
So, this is how. Like, for example, currently I'm doing a film in which I have a double role. The first half, he's a lean and thin guy. And the second half of the film, he is a little bit plummy. He has gained weight.
Okay.
So right now, I'm in that second structure of the film, which is right now going on flows.
Okay.
So that is the reason I'm a bit on a fatty side.
Okay.
So yeah.
So despite of places, languages, barriers, you focus on your role.
Exactly.
That is your focus.
Exactly. And for
Right.
that, even I have to make any changes. See, even if you see Mr. Amir Khan, he did a 8-pack, he did a great body for Ghazni.
Correct.
And the second film after that was 3 Idiots. He did a 0 figure.
Okay.
So as an actor, we should be ready for all these things.
But it must be very challenging for you, you know.
It is challenging, but at the same time, if the
Maza aa
character
jata hai.
demands me that I should be looking like that, so I should be looking like that. It is up to the character, because the character is the hero of the film.
Okay.
Money is the hero, agreed. But the character is actually the hero of the film.
बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए, हमारा ये इंटरव्यू बहुत लंबा हो गया. बहुत धन्यवाद मणि जी. कुछ और लास्ट में पूछना चाहूँगा. एनीथिंग एल्स व्हिच यू फील इज लेफ्ट, देन वी कैन कंक्लूड.
Yeah, I am very happy again that my film Nirmok got an international award, and I want to win more and more state and national award and international awards for my films as well as for myself. And well, the journey has just begun, and just have to go miles and miles.
चलिए, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Bye.